It's the giving season, and some John Carroll University students are looking to help in a big way. Tonight, they will be hosting Blizzard Bash to raise money for the Cleveland Hunger Network. They're in studio this morning with Austin Love. Austin, guys, how you doing?
Hey, we're doing phenomenal, Maureen. Are you guys doing good?
We're doing good.
That's great. Thanks so much for coming in this morning. Yeah, this is a great event being held for a great cause by the team at John Carroll's WJCU 88.7 FM. 88.7 FM. How about that? Fantastic. They've already fired me before they didn't even offer me the job. But we have Zach, and we also have Danielle here. Guys, thank you so much for coming in, and thank you so much for what you're doing. Tell us about Blizzard Bash.
Yeah, we're really excited about it. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's tonight at the Beachland Tavern. It's at doors at 7, event at 8. And we have Mikey Silas and friends. We got the Marcus Smith Band. We got Guy Snowden and the Citizens. I'm going to DJ for a little bit. It's going to be a lot of fun. So,
what is your DJ style? Like, what are we rocking up there? Are you doing like old school turntables and things, or what do you got?
Yeah, I got 2 electric turntables.
Yeah.
I go by DJ Z13 because I'm Zach and I'm from the 313.
Man.
But yeah, so it'll be a lot of fun, a lot of hip hop. But yeah.
Zach's got a nice little following on Instagram. I saw that as well, too. Man, congrats on all your success. Danielle, so this is for the Hunger Network that is right here in Cleveland, and they have like 70 locations. They provide like 70 locations here in Northeast Ohio. It's incredible. Why choose, I mean, this is a dumb question, but why choose the Hunger Network, and why is it so close to all of your guys' heart?
I mean, it's in Cleveland, so
yeah.
It's very close to John Carroll University and all of that stuff. But we just really wanted to give back. It is the season of giving.
Yeah.
So just kind of a way for us to show our appreciation to the Cleveland community, kind of give back to those who need it a little bit more.
Sure, and you know, I was looking, it's like 25 cents is one meal equivalent, and you guys have already done an amazing job of doing a pre-raising money for this. Where are you guys at right now, and what's your goal to raise money for the Hunger Network?
So our goal was to provide 5,000 meals.
Yeah.
We've already been able to provide approximately 9,000.
Wow.
And so our new goal, I would say, is 10,000.
Yeah.
So, hopefully
so you don't even need to have the event tonight. You're good to go.
We're done. I go to bed. But nah, it'll be a lot of fun. So hopefully we bring in a lot more, and hopefully we get to do some good for the community.
Sure. And you guys haven't had this event. This has been kind of an ongoing event, but it took a little hiatus during COVID. What can people expect when they go out there tonight?
Yeah. So shout out to Neo Rocks. The last time this event was held, I was in high school.
Yeah.
And they've been doing it for a whole bunch of years. Neo Rocks is a show in WJCU. We're another show. We're 808s and mixtapes.
Yeah.
So this is the first time we're collaborating on this, and we're really excited, and it'll be a lot of fun.
Sure. All right. So give me just the FAQs of the events tonight, starting at 7. Beachland. I shouldn't be doing this for you, but the Beachland. I'm realizing that I'm doing Beachland Tavern. And what else can people expect when they head out there?
Yeah. So we got some raffles. We got some great vendors. It'll be a lot of fun. I know the Hunger Network will be there live in person. So I'm just excited that we're able to see the impact that we're going to create in our community firsthand. So
fantastic. Thanks so much for what you guys are doing. Thank you so much for coming in. You guys need a nap today before the event. We're going to have all the information for this on our website, wkyc.com. Jessica, just out here, I mean, look at these students doing amazing things, raising money, and also providing meals on tables for those who need it.
Absolutely fantastic. Yes, and thankfully no blizzards actually happening today in terms of the actual weather.